Hey y'all, it's All of Destiny. Today's content will be a hyperlapse clean with me. I'll be sharing with you all a few new home updates, and if you have time to stay to the end, we're gonna go to Walmart together. So Infuse was kind enough to gift me a few of their new cleaning products from their new system. These are non-toxic. We're gonna use them to clean up today. So we have the glass and window cleaner. All of these do come with the spray bottle as well as the concentrate, and then we have the microfiber cloth for the bathroom, the all-purpose microfiber cloth, and the glass and window cleaning microfiber cloth, and you get 2 in each one of these packs. And Infuse also sent over their spray mop, which also comes with another concentrate. The one that I have is the Meyer lemon one. They also sent over a microfiber spray mop pad. So we're going to go ahead and test all of these out, and again, special thank you to Infuse for gifting me these items. So to use the spray bottle, you just want to fill the smart refill bottle with room temperature water, and then you want to place the cartridge in the bottle, screw on the lid clockwise, and that will release the concentrate. Then you just want to grab the right microfiber cloth for the job and get to cleaning. One thing that I did notice, the reason I gave the thumbs up is because I didn't really smell any harsh chemicals or anything while I was using these products, but they definitely cleaned up the different areas. The green bottle is labeled bathroom. We won't be using that one on camera today, but just know I've been using these products off camera for like a month. I really like them. We're gonna start in the living room. Of course, living room. I live in this room. We're gonna just, clean up a bit. I feel like if I was to voice over this, it would be so self-explanatory, but I'm going to use the glass and window cleaning microfiber cloth along with the matching spray bottle. I like the fact that the microfiber cloths match the color of the concentrate. So yeah, y'all can see like it's got the table looking really nice and clean. I like that a lot, but I ain't going to voice over the rest of this because it's kind of self-explanatory. Oh, before I forget, the sleep cap that I'm wearing is courtesy of ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ here on YouTube. Be sure to check out her website and her YouTube channel. I'll have her information in my description box. So the glass cleaner definitely leaves all of the glass products nice and streak free, and any of the mirrored items, it gives them that nice illuminated look, so I like that a lot. And a few days later, I went ahead and used the all-purpose cleaner on my ceiling fan as well. I like the fact that all of these products are really inexpensive, but they get the job done. And moving forward, all I would have to purchase are the little refill cartridges because these bottles are reusable. Now it's time for a hallway transformation in less than 20 minutes. So we got this mirror from Walmart a few months back. When we moved 2 years ago, things that didn't have a home, we just forcefully gave them a home. That stuff should never have been there. But I picked up this vase from the at-home store as well as everything you see me placing inside of it. And we're just gonna sit that in the hallway to make it look nice and glam and cute. Now I'm gonna get ready to clean the mirror. Kind of what we have. Alright, so this is the Infuse glass cleaner. Ugh, why am I burping? Oh my god. I'm burping Osaka hibachi shrimp. So yeah, this is that. And I like how they have that matching cloths for each one. The way this feels, y'all can probably kind of look at it. It has like a grip to it, so it just does really good. Yeah, you can't see the streaks on the camera, which surprises me because most HD cameras make things look worse than what they really are sometimes. I'm just going to spray this out to give it more of a shine as well. Give it a mirrored effect. There we go. Give me some height. No, where you going? Oh, I left the tag on you. Alright, I'll get some paper and fix that later. Editing this video, realizing I didn't get a finished look at the end of the hallway, and voila, how cute is the end of this hallway. Absolutely love it. I was at the at-home store the other day. They had the larger LED flameless candles on clearance for 50% off, so these were only $7. This one is larger than this one. So of course when I see these I always grab them. Everybody's kind of getting like hooked on the flameless LED candles, so it wasn't as many of these, and they also sometimes have like the 3, 4, or 5 packs. I was able to get my hands on these. Didn't go for that, but since I saw them and I love them, I grabbed them. I'm getting ready to swap this out for that size. And then y'all know we have the rechargeable batteries now, so we don't have to always buy AA batteries. Whenever it goes out, you just recharge them just like you would a phone or any other piece of technology. That looks much better to me. The tall one compared to the short one. Let's sit them side by side so y'all can see. Yes, that looks so much better. Oh no, I was just showing it to them. My nephew and Mr. Lincoln. I mean, my nephew and my Mr. Lincoln is my nephew. My sister and my nephew are here, and Mr. Lincoln is clearly had funnel cake sticks. It's a little boy in the neighborhood that Lincoln comes over to ride bikes with every day at a set time. So, because it's not any kids his age at home. So yeah. So the battery charger and the batteries are from Amazon. You can also get these at Walmart. I'll have my Amazon store linked down below. I know you're probably looking at that $18.97 and going, that's pretty pricey, but replacing batteries is pretty pricey. You only got to buy that and the rechargeable batteries one time. Efficient queen over here. Now it's time for a dining room transformation. Well, sort of. We're just going to be swapping out the placemats, but we still need to clean up this area. So this is the before, where we have all of the china that you see is from Goodwill. Someone else paid more for it and then they gave it away, and then I paid, you know, a better price for it. So thank you to whoever made that purchase one day. I was not shopping for these that day, but when I was in a store called Rose's, we have one in Memphis. If you look up gold placemats, these get pretty pricey. When I Google them, they cost way more than $1.99. And I know some of those may look better than the one I got, but you know, the one I got is the best deal of the day. Flips hair. Money saving hacks, since y'all asked me for more of those. It means I get to put that money in savings, sis, and do something else with it. Especially since this table is mostly decoration anyway. If you want to try to find these, that's the brand on them. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean off the table. I'm using the all-purpose cleaner by Infuse. We do have a wood cleaner, but for the time being, I was like, let me give this one a try. You can take everything off of the table, but y'all know how I get down. Sometimes she get a little clumsy. I'm giving y'all tips on things that, you know, I got a good deal on, but the vase that you see was pretty pricey, so I ain't gonna sit it on the floor and end up knocking it down. So I'm using the glass cleaner to clean off all of the plates. You can properly wash yours if you actually eat off of them, but this is mostly decoration. I either sit at our bar stools or at the breakfast table, and if your napkin is a little dirty, I suggest washing it. No, I don't. I suggest flipping it inside out until next time. Then you can wash it. And voila, that's what we have. Our new cute floral arrangement. So let me tell you where everything is from, just in case y'all may be curious. The chargers are from Dollar Tree. We got the plates from Goodwill. Again, judge me if you want. I'm just gonna flip it inside out. When people come over, they sit there. I kind of don't. Napkins, napkin rings, all of that is from Pier 1. And the way that I set this up, one of the associates taught me that when I was there shopping for all of this about 1.5 years ago, but they're closed now. A little magic wand to finish setting the table. The table is from the Salvation Army, but if you Google tables like these, they're pretty pricey too. Shout out to somebody else for buying it and then me paying the better price for it. And that's how you mix and match, folks. And that's my dining room setup. Still the same setup, but you know, these placemats make a wonderful transformation. In the laundry room, just to spice it up, because I know some people don't decorate the laundry room at all. Well, I'm some people. But I got these roses as well. It was quicker to just do it and not film, so that's that. I may show you all the rest of this room at another time if I ever do anything else in there. And now we're going to go ahead and use the spray mop. Yes, ma'am. Wow, I thought I was recording this entire time. But basically, to put it together, you just slide these two things together and then they snap. And I just twisted this in so you can untwist it to fill it with water. To set this up, the mop head was already attached, so I'm just going to connect the poles to engage the trigger. And when it clicks, it lets you know that you're ready to go. I added water to the fill line, and now I'm just going to place the cartridge in the bottle and screw on the lid in a clockwise direction. That's going to release the concentrate within the water, and that is what I'll be using to clean with. Pull the trigger a few times just to get it going, and you're ready to start mopping. You can definitely test a surface of your floor before you begin if you want, but yeah, I haven't had any problems with this mop. The thing that I like, the amount of water that I've added to that fill line, I can just reach for the mop and start mopping again, and I won't have to buy another cartridge until this one runs out of water. Again, special thank you to Infuse for gifting me this new cleaning system. I've been using it around the house and I absolutely love these products. I will have links, everything that I've been using in this video, down below for you all. Quick little before and after. If y'all saw the greenery before, I swapped these out in the living room, swapped out the green for the little fall decor arrangements. And then to better arrange our wax melts, I put them inside of this cute box that I got from Roses as well. And now we're off to Walmart. We're leaving our brother's house. He's doing okay, or as okay as he's gonna be doing for now with the anesthesia. He was just kind of talking sideways a little bit. Dominique likes the Airwick plug-ins that he has at the house, so we're about to go to Walmart to find those, because every time we go over there it smells really good. So that's where we're about to go and look for. I don't know how much of the footage I'm going to keep. I'll know once I start editing, and then once I actually run it by my brother when he's in his right mind, what he, you know, may or may not want on the internet. I probably also didn't say what kind of surgery he had done, because I didn't run that by him either. I always just get things in that moment, even if it's not for the sake of uploading it, if he may want to look back at himself. So whatever y'all saw, he was cool with me posting. But if not that, then they got like a whole bunch of footage of him when they went to pick him up just off the anesthesia. Make sure y'all subscribe to his YouTube channel. Me or Bone or somebody's gonna try to get that edited right here to put on his YouTube channel. I guess I'll talk to you all once we get to Walmart.
That's not too big for Bone. That's for this side. It's good. I ain't getting it. You can.
No, we can both get it.
I don't want to now forget. I'm always in the show. They got these sides.
If we film a video together, we can wear it.
Now we all got this one, that one, that one.
We can take pictures, me and Bone. So I've been cycling at the gym. It's the best for my knees. And I need a seat cover because sometimes my butt just hurts a little bit. Girl, I thought that was it. That's a massager. Never mind. I'll be back when I find it. Dun dun dun. Oh, that feels good. See, I browsed a few on Amazon, but I couldn't feel it. This'll do. How much is she? 15 bucks. I'll take it. Hold on, girl, because she's 9. I see why. That 9 ain't hitting like that 14. What you think? Give them a test drive. Squeeze it. It's bigger than the bike seats at the gym. It feels better, yeah, on your butt. Not my inner thighs, but way, way, way at the top. Like back there. I probably edit that out. Was sore.
Put it on and sit down.
This one will be fine right here. They have the wider ones on Amazon, but I wasn't able to squeeze it or anything, so that's why I wanted to get it in person. I'm gonna go with that one. What you gonna get, T? T don't get on the bike because it hurts her butt, and it's a little more tolerable for me because
Girl, I'll get a bike, girl.
I have a smaller butt. Look how she's testing it out.
Girl, get a bike. Hold it. Girl,
give me your hand. Help! I've fallen and I can't get up.
That hurt. This is not soft at all.
Yeah, I didn't pick the gel. I chose the memory foam. Okay, I'm having a change of heart. I reevaluated the situation, right? And this is what I came up with. If I can press the memory foam one end that much with my hand, then when I sit an entire butt on it, it's really gonna go down flat. I think I'm gonna go with the gel core one because I can't really press on the gel that much. So that means when my butt sits on it. You see what I'm saying? I think y'all get what I mean.
It's like up in here.
Take you a big piece of foam.
The seat too little.
Go over in the
Yeah,
crowd.
the seat's very small. They got larger ones on Amazon. I had just wanted to try
go
them out.
You don't even know the name is what they say. Too. You remember what she said? Alright, that's it. Let's get out of here.
Summer Delight and the extra thing. These are for the strawberry shortcakes. We already have the rest of the strawberries glazed, and we still have some more whipped cream left. Just kidding. Ooh. Come on. Here goes So the ᶫᵒᵛᵉᵧ shots that I drink, guys, they're in the section where the smoothies are. In Walmart, same thing, and Kroger as well. But they don't have that drink that I just drank this morning here, or the juice, the Evolution. I checked, they don't have it here. Maybe not right now, I guess. And then we already have the strawberries, and then the glaze is usually right here next to it, and then get yourself some whipped cream and you're good to go. You're welcome. All of the lights for Scan and Go are open. The only light that's open in Walmart is number 8. The more we use the Scan and Goes, the more they incorporate adding more of them into the store. Sometimes I check myself out, sometimes I don't do it, but I try not to, because for one, we don't get a discount. So it's like, why? And not only that, I just feel like companies try to do the very best that they can to hire less people, you know? Like, that's a job for a person and you give it to a machine. We're not in his line, we're going to number 8. This is what I've decided. I need to post an Instagram picture. I checked my caption stash, but I don't want to use any of those. Once this commercial is over on the radio, whatever song they play first, the first bar, not the first bar, the first line, this is gonna be like, turn it up. I'm hot just like an oven, okay. I guess I gotta use that. And ironically, I'm wearing a red shirt. Go like the picture on Instagram if you find it.
Take a picture with my camera.
Okay, I'll take a picture.
Turn it on.
Yeah, turn your camera on.
Put it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's on.
Today was pink shirt
Oh, you
and
took it
jeans
to my
day
phone.
at daycare. You got it?
Yay.
Ooh, let's see yours. Yours look just like Putt-Putt's.
That's
This is how
yours.
my setup is, y'all. It looks just like this tripod and then the camera at the top. Oh, you're on the date? Okay, let's set yours up a little bit. We'll be back, y'all.
Okay.
Whenever I sit y'all down on the shelf or anywhere, the legs
Look
pop
it.
out just
Look
like
it.
this. Look at that. They like your camera, Lincoln. They said they like it a lot. Look. Okay, let's see if I can get it to focus camera to camera. Look, he can actually record on here. Y'all see him in front of the screen? Okay, so let's press the record button. Say hey to your camera, Lincoln.
Hey to my camera, y'all.
If your kid wants a camera, get them this one by VTech. Pretty cool. And it has this, the little GoPro thing. This is legit, Mr. Lincoln. I think you can actually pull these files off of here too. This is convenient. Sometimes when I'm talking to y'all, I don't look at the screen. I'm looking at the real life view of things. So when I glance at my camera screen again, that's when I notice that it's not focused. Green screen studio, photo, create tools, games, and settings. Put likes it. Can I borrow your camera?
No, I can't use it. I can't use it, but
I can't, but you can?
yeah, I can. Yes, I do want it.
Oh, you want your camera back? I'm sorry. Okay.
Whoa, a screwdriver.
Here, look what this is.
A screwdriver.
Say hey to Lincoln, y'all.
I could pop it up.
There we
I
go.
got it. How do I go to your picture?
You gonna take a picture?
Yeah. Say cheese. Oh, your camera, put.
Okay, I'm gonna sit mine down beside Lincoln's.
Hey.
Ooh, we
Hey,
have the same camera.
Hey, you're cheating.
I'm not cheating. What did I do to cheat?
Because you cheat.
When did I cheat, Lincoln?
I didn't know how to open it.
Yes, it does.
Yay!
Look at that!
Yes! Put your camera right here.
Oh.
Hey, Papa Camera! How you doing, Papa Camera?
I hadn't seen it like opened yet since he got it for his birthday. I had no idea it can flip up. Isn't that cool, Lincoln?
Yes, put window.
Got me put little. Might edit that out. Okay, guys, I'm getting ready to hand my camera over to D-Size. So I'm gonna take my SD card out to take home with me so I can still edit. You got your SD card, got some space on it. Y'all should be in good hands. Here you go.
Just how I live, money and